Ever found yourself wondering what to feed your 12-plus months old baby that is both nutritious and tasty? That's what we're here to explore today. The right nutrition is crucial for your little one's growth and development, and we understand the struggle to keep it interesting and delicious. This video is packed with 9 easy-to-make recipes that are not only packed with nutrients, but are also sure to be a hit with your baby. Ready to discover how to make your baby's mealtime more enjoyable? Let's dive in. First on our list is a delightful sweet potato puree. This recipe calls for just 2 simple ingredients, 1 sweet potato and a splash of breast milk or formula. Start by peeling and cubing the sweet potato. Boil it until tender, then blend it with a little bit of your chosen liquid until you have a smooth, creamy puree. It's as easy as that. Now let's flip the page to our next recipe, banana pancakes. For this, you'll need 1 ripe banana, 2 tablespoons of flour, and 1 egg. Mash the banana until it's free of lumps. Mix in the egg and flour until combined. Drop spoonfuls onto a hot, greased skillet and cook until they're golden brown on both sides. These pancakes are not only yummy, but also packed with essential nutrients for your little one. And there you have it, 2 down, 7 more to go. Next, we have the ever-popular apple and oat porridge. This delightful dish begins with peeling and dicing the apples, followed by cooking them until they're soft and mushy. Throw in some oats and let it simmer until it thickens into a wholesome porridge. The sweet and tangy flavor of apples combined with the hearty oats makes it a nutritious and satisfying meal for your little one. Moving on, we have the heartwarming carrot soup. Start by sautéing chopped carrots and onions until they're tender. Add some vegetable broth and let it simmer. Once it's all cooked, blend everything into a smooth soup. This is a perfect way to introduce your child to the wonderful world of vegetables. Finally, we're on to our 5th recipe, the creamy avocado mash. Simply scoop out ripe avocados and mash them until it's smooth and creamy. This is a great source of healthy fats and fiber. Halfway there, stay tuned for the final 4 recipes. Our 6th recipe is a delightful quinoa and vegetable mix. Now this one's a powerhouse of nutrients. Just cook quinoa and stir in some steamed vegetables. Next up, we have a sweet pear and blueberry puree. Just blend cooked pears and blueberries together until smooth. Moving on to a hearty lentil stew, cook lentils with veggies until soft. Lastly, we have spinach and rice. Simply cook spinach and rice together. And that's all 9 recipes. Delicious, right? Let's quickly recap the recipes we've learned today. We started with the hearty sweet potato puree, packed with vitamin A to enhance your baby's vision. Next was the nutritious quinoa porridge, a protein-packed powerhouse to support cell growth. Then, we moved on to the delicious spinach and white bean mash, offering fiber and iron for a healthy digestive system and strong blood cells. Our 4th recipe was the tasty avocado and banana mash, brimming with healthy fats and potassium for heart health. The 5th recipe was the delightful pear and blueberry puree, a potent source of antioxidants for boosting immunity. We followed up with the savory pumpkin and lentil soup, rich in vitamin C and protein. Our 7th recipe was the mixed vegetable stew, a medley of nutrients for overall health. Recipe 8 was the splendid apple and oatmeal porridge, a perfect breakfast choice offering fiber and essential vitamins. Finally, the 9th recipe was the zesty orange and carrot puree, loaded with vitamin C and beta-carotene for a strong immune system and good eye health. Remember, a happy baby is a well-fed baby. Happy cooking, everyone!